You know what? I'm happy today. Alright guys, today we have an exciting product to unbox and set up. We have the Logitech G923 racing wheels and pedals for PS5, PS4, and PC. And obviously, I also got the gear shift. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing we see here is paperwork. So as you can see, we have the manual. So here we have the power cable, the AC adapter. Let's put everything on the side really quick, okay? So now, what is this? Hold on, it's a catalog. So they are trying to make me spend more money. And they got me because they also sell this stand. So they have different model right here. As you can see, I like this one. Just wait for another video because I'm buying this. All right, let's keep going. So more paperwork, put it on the side. All right, so now it's time to take out this wheel. Hold on, I'm gonna put it here. Okay, so I have to move this box to be able to unbox this easier. It feels so good already. Oh my god. I don't know if I am exaggerating, but I really love it. It feels so realistic. So as you can see, you know, we have metal pedals. And this is plastic, but it feels so good. Really good material. And this is the racing wheel, so everything feels so good. So as you can see, it has a lot more details right on the back. So I don't know what is that. I don't know if that's a speaker. So I don't know nothing yet about this product. But it looks amazing. It feels like I'm holding my car steering wheel. It feels the same, yo. So realistic. Now let's unbox the gear shift. Let's cut this off. Okay, we have some paperwork, and here we got the gear shift. It feels so good. I swear, I didn't expect that much good feeling about this product, guys. I'm in shock. Okay, let's start the setup process. So I already untied all the cables, and now, so what we're gonna do, let's put this upside down, just like that. All right, the first cable, so just make sure to put it right inside of this line so it can just look organized and clean like that. Everything is already hooked up to my desk, so now the last thing we have to connect is this USB cable to our PS5, okay? So our PS4 or PC, whatever device you wanna use. As soon as you connect this cable to your PS5, you will see that the steering wheel is gonna be moving itself, okay? So just let it be. It's just letting you know that everything is about to start working. Now guys, there's still one thing that you have to do to finally connect this accessory to your PS5. As you can see, it still doesn't work. So what you're gonna do now, guys, to finally connect it, you're gonna press right here on the steering wheel. You're gonna see the PlayStation logo. Let's go ahead and press that button. Okay, now let's go ahead and press the X right on the steering wheel. So you're gonna do everything right here. Press the X. Then look now. Everything is working now, guys. That's all you have to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video. If you still got any problem with your setup, just let me know in the comment section to help you out. And by the way, guys, I'm gonna be making another video about a steering wheel not connecting to your PC, PS4 or PS5.